So Daddy, your iGirl bundle is here.
Oh. Woo!
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with my dad, Bill.
Hey.
And I bought my dad an iGirl bundle. If you don't know who Internet Girl is, she's a depop seller who does these really cool personalized style bundles. I bought one for myself recently. The video's on my channel, you can go check it out. So anyway, my dad's in a rock band. And he's a big fan of kind of grungy, alternative, industrial looks, wouldn't you say,
Sure.
Bill? What's your band called, Bill?
The Rockaholics.
The Rockaholics. Yeah. So recently, Internet Girl, aka Bella, she posted some example pictures for men's bundles. I've always known she did men's outfits, but I never have seen like an actual picture of one of her men's bundles. So when I saw that, it kind of inspired me to get one for my dad since I loved mine so much, and since my dad kind of appreciates that grungy alternative look, I thought he'd really enjoy one of Bella's iGirl bundles. So before we get into it, I'm going to read you what I messaged Bella about my dad's style to give her an idea of what to send him in his bundle. My dad's in a rock band and is very into grungy alternative looks, so I know he'll love whatever you style for him. His style inspirations are Motley Crue and Stevie Ray Vaughan. His usual style for his shows consists of things like leather pants, industrial pant chains, lots of tribal and flame designs, cool shades, animal print. You get the idea. And then I gave his measurements, obviously. Before we unbox the bundle, which I have right here, feel free to go check out my video on my look that Bella put together for me. It's so cute. And now I guess we'll get right into it.
OMG.
Okay, go ahead. Crack her open.
Okay.
Okay, so here we have it. So the letter is on top, and we're going to read that last, of course. Alright, these look like the sunglasses. What do you think?
Let's
There
see,
they are.
try them on. Let me see what they look like.
Ooh, I like them.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, those are cool.
Let's see them on you.
Okay. I can't tell because I can't. There's no mirror, but.
Oh, right there. We can look in there. Yeah, yeah.
But they don't. Okay, but.
I
Good, they make you look at
Yeah, they look good. I like them. Okay. Well, here, you open it. You're the unboxer.
Okay.
Ooh.
Mm.
What's that?
Oh, look at that. It's nice.
Ooh, look at that. It's cool. Oh my god, that's so you.
Yeah, that'll be good. It's a nice one.
I love that.
All right. Some pants.
Oh my god, I should give you 2 grommet belts.
Oh, nice. Nice chain to keep my wallet from being stolen.
That's right.
Some little
Ooh, some pins. Those are
nice,
really cool.
Nice little pin. And a cool belt to go with it too.
Yeah, 2 different ones.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's perfect. Goes there, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
sick.
I can switch out to the
Oh
red
yeah, you can go with the cherry red
for
vibe.
the second set.
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice little bundle. Oh, there's something
And there's
else.
more things. Okay, let's see. When I opened mine, I spilled mine everywhere. So let's. Okay. Ooh, oh my god! It's so funny because my dad loves to steal things out of my jewelry box, my kind of like grungy industrial necklaces.
That's a
And
good
this totally looks like something he would take. It's a little handcuff necklace. That's so cool. Look at that. It looks like a bike chain.
All right. Oh, yeah, it is. It's just like a Harley.
Right, uh-huh. And then you got there's a little postcard, and that's iGirl, if you didn't know.
Oh,
And a sticker and a tattoo. All right, so it looks pretty cool.
Is that like a fake tattoo?
Yeah, that one is, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Put that right on your face.
All right.
We're at one of your shows. Okay, so she addressed it for Carol Annie's dad. This is for you. She says, "Hi, Angel. I had a blast pulling together this custom look for you. I just wanted to take this moment to tell you how I pulled the look together from head to toe. To accessorize, I included the dead stock handcuff chain necklace and that bike chain necklace that you can layer up for major Motley Crue realness. I also paired those V badass dead stock black shades with your look as well. Your daughter told me in our depop DMs that you would like to wear a cool pair of shades on stage, so I thought these would be perfect for you, and they are. I included the hardcore skull long sleeve top you can pair with the most perfectly distressed pair of grungy gray denim jeans. I customized those bad boys with some dead stock pins that I thought were very Motley Crue. I thought this look totally embodied your theme, and it will so look badass on you. I also popped in 2 classic grommet belts in red and black, and our DMs, your daughter, also mentioned that you like to wear pant chains for your shows, so I had to throw in those 2 chunky chains that you can layer up for an extra hardcore touch. And I'd pair this fit with some combat boots or platforms. Thank you for trusting in my creativity. I hope you enjoy the pieces. Eternal love, Bella. Well, there
Excellent.
it is.
That's a great little outfit.
Do you like it? Do you think
Yes,
you'll wear it to your next show?
I think so.
I think so too.
And that's just the way it effing is.
Thank you so much again, Bella. We love your bundles, and this one did not disappoint. Thank you to everyone for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and definitely go check out my try-on video of my iGirl bundle. We love you, and we'll see you soon.